Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying exactly what you have now. Run Python version or Python 3 version to confirm. Once done, make a quick backup of projects and export dependencies with pip freeze requirements. TXT so you can restore environments. Next, install build tools and required development headers for your platform. These let new Python compile and link correctly. Make sure to use sudo when needed and choose whether to update system Python or install side-by-side to avoid disrupting system tools. Now you perform the installation step by step. If you want safe side-by-side installs, use pyenv. Install pyenv, then pyenv install 3. X and pyenv global 3. X so your shell points correctly. Alternatively, use your distro package manager or compile from source. Configure make alt install to avoid replacing system Python. Once installed, update path or use update alternatives so Python and pip resolve to the new binary. Finally, recreate virtualenvs and reinstall dependencies from requirement. Finish by validating the new interpreter. Run Python version and pip version and execute your test suite to confirm behavior. Make sure to run linters and fix any deprecated APIs or changes in standard library behavior. Many issues surface only under runtime tests. If something breaks, switch back with pyenv or restore from your backup and compare dependency versions. One key troubleshooting tip: if packages fail to build, install missing dev libraries and rebuild wheels. That resolves most native extension errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.